Hey squad, it's your boy E back at it again with another dope legendary video. Today it is an exciting day for me. The day started beautiful, but it turned into be a little bit cloudy. But anyway, guys, this is not going to stop us by me showing you how I turned my Audi A5 into a RS5. Well, I didn't turn it all the way to an RS5, not performance wise, but as far as the look, they look pretty much identical. There it is. There's a grill that goes here.
Yeah.
And it is like a little pieces grill that goes.
Yeah, that's a little good.
Yeah.
There's a chrome piece.
So this piece right here, you're gonna have to cut it. Like this piece right here.
Yeah, I have to cut this part.
You're gonna have to cut it because the grill. I have the grill here too in the box right here.
Yeah.
So, and these pieces are going to to the grill. There's like another piece again that goes in the bottom of this stuff. Like that goes in the bottom of the
that's a lower shit. Okay.
Yeah, that lower for the bottom of this. So that goes to the bottom of this. So, and then the grill is here. I don't know how the grill look like too. So.
You want the vinegar, right?
Yeah, I ordered with a vinegar, but this is like a aftermarket part that exactly fit this too because it comes with the washers too. Why is that? It do avec the head washers piece. So it's built for it. So that's the grill that's gonna go right here, right?
Yeah.
That's it, right? So because this goes in the back of it. Yeah.
Make sure. I cannot leave it too like yeah, it should be.
It should fit?
Yeah, it should be fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be.
Oh. It should be good, right?
Yeah, it should be.
Alright.
This one, you have to keep it the same.
I'm gonna keep it black, yeah, the same black. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it black. Because mind you, when you're gonna paint the bumper is gonna be black too. So I'm guessing you're gonna put the grill after you paint the.
But there is the Joker is a black, right?
Black, yeah.
Everything is black. Okay.
Yeah.
And there is no chrome.
The only chrome piece, is that the only silver piece that looks like a chrome is this right here.
This piece here goes here.
The piece that goes at the bottom, yeah. It's only gonna look like
the
chrome.
About the front like chrome.
It's black.
It's not really.
That's the only piece that's silver. It's like this right here. You see this?
Yeah, that's silver.
Yeah, but the rest of it, like this grill gets in there.
Black.
It's black. So everything's gonna stay black. Alright guys, this guy been fixing. He fixed a lot of cars for me before, so it's pretty cool. Give me a pretty good price. I'm gonna show you later one exactly how everything looked like by the time I'm done, right? So he's giving me a pretty good price. I can't complain, to be honest with you. So I'm about to bring the Audi to him right now because the Audi was too small, so I couldn't put the bumper in the grill inside. I could have put the grill inside, but it's just the bumper would have been too big, so I had to use a truck. This project should be done maybe in the next couple of days or so. Like this bumper should be done in a couple of days. So stay tuned, let's go. And ladies and gentlemen, help me to welcome the Audi A5. As you guys can see, if I didn't tell you this was an A5, you would think that it is an RS5. As a matter of fact, the grill comes with 3 signs: the S5, RS5, and the A5. I have the option to put either one of them in the front grill, but I feel like it's going to be a little bit funky, a little bit crazy to put, an RS5 in the grill when it's really not an RS5. But nonetheless, you guys, it looks just like an RS5. I'm about to give you a quick update of what I did to my car, what's wrong with it, and how I turned it from this to this, which is this right here that we're looking at. If you guys remember, when I got the Audi, it didn't come with the front bumper at all. So I'm guessing from the crash, the front bumper had came off, not because there was a front damage, but because when the accident happened, the fender got damaged and the rim got broke. So I didn't have, well, I had the fender, but the fender was pretty much, you know, trash. I couldn't even fix it or nothing. The rim broke. I didn't want to waste my time fix the rim, so I bought a 2 set of rims. So which, if you notice that the rest of the rims are black. Back one is black. The other side right here is black, and the front one again is black, except to this one, which again the story is because I had to replace that one. So now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna get all of the wheels powder coated, including this one, because if I only get this one powder coated, what's gonna happen is, if you notice right here, there are a whole bunch of little chip around the corners of the rims, so the rest of the rims gonna look a little bit raggedy. So I said, you know what, why not just get all of the rims powder coated and make it look real decent. And a little touch that I add to this is I bought a little crown, which is a valve cover, to make it look a little, you know, extra. You know, that's the king. But anyway, you guys, I'm definitely going to get the rotors painted. So now I'm trying to figure out if I should get it, you know, yellow or keep it red. But so far, you guys, I had replaced the fender. I had bought another fender, and the headlight got broke as well, so I had replaced the headlight, and the other one was just fine. But again, you remember, you guys, when I had showed you the car when I just got it, there was a big dent in the back, because that's where I'm guessing the car got hit in the front, or maybe got hit in the back a little bit and pushed the car to hit the front. So I'm not sure what happened, but nonetheless, you guys, the back was hit. As you can see, you can barely see if I had a back damage. And right here is the back bumper, didn't get damaged. And you guys, as you can see, this looked pretty decent. I like it. It turns out better than I thought it would. Nonetheless, you guys, we're gonna make this car look even better. Now, you might have asked yourself, what is in this box? And like I said earlier, that I'm gonna make this car look even better. These are the front lips and the side skirt that we're gonna put on this car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today or if it's gonna be the next day, but nonetheless, I'm gonna show you exactly when I put the side skirt and the front lips, if it doesn't look a little bit more aggressive. What do you think? Well, you may not know yet, but when I put it on, let me know in the comment box below if it doesn't look better than the way it looked right now. And a couple of other mods that we're gonna do to this car. Well, my favorite one is the exhaust. We definitely got to get this exhaust done because this car is way too quiet for me. Definitely gonna get the exhaust done. The next mod, well, the wheels is not the perfect way it's supposed to be. Another for me to show you what I'm gonna show you. But if you notice here, I have 3 finger space in between the tire and the fender itself. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the car. That way I may have a inch, maybe a room for my finger to fit in there. And the next mod I'm gonna do is, as you can see back here, if you're looking at the wheels, there is a tons of space between the fender again and the wheels. So now what I'm gonna be doing is we will be putting on some wheel spacers. Maybe 15 inch in the back and 10 in the front, or maybe 10 in the front and 20 or 25 in the back. I'm not quite sure the sizes, but nonetheless, you guys, we will put some spacers to make the tire poke out a little bit more. That way it can look a bit more aggressive. And another most definite mod or things that we need to do is the headlights. I don't like the way it looks at all. Well, not as far as the style, but the condition of it, it is terrible. If you look closer, they look old. You might be saying, maybe they are old, that's why they look old. Well, anyway, you guys, the point is they look terrible. So now, don't worry about that because I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change this. Overall, you guys, everything is done. Well, not everything. There's a lot more things needs to be done. For instance, if you notice, I was supposed to get the wheel cover or the fender liner. That was supposed to come. They didn't come yet, and you can see all of the bottom of the car showing, all the wires are showing. It looks really terrible. So this is like a little details of things that I still need to do with the car. So these things are coming later on. Maybe I put on the fender liner with the side skirt and the front lips together. They're all underneath the car. So maybe I do everything one time and get the wheels powder coated, just like I mentioned earlier, you guys. But overall, this car looked amazing. Let me hit you with a couple of B-roll shots.
Turn me up, Z.
All right, guys. Now we are taking this car for a little drive, and I'm about to go to the mechanic. Go get the car checked out. So I have to make sure engine, transmission-wise, everything is okay with the car. So what I'll do is I'll get back with you guys when I get a couple more mods done to the car, because mind you, I'm gonna get the side skirts on the car, front lips, wheels powder coated, get all the window tinted, because what happened is one window is tinted and the other one is not, and it looks really terrible. So I'm gonna take care of all of that. And this video is coming to an end. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so right now. And if you have already subscribed, I say thank you to you and welcome back. And stay tuned, stay blessed, don't be stressed. Your boy out.